All right, now that we have created our Binance wallet or in the exchange, we shall be showing you the next thing, which is how do you deposit money into your Binance exchange. Right now, I'm in my Binance account and you can see that my Binance account is all verified. So the next thing is for you to know what all these are for. You have the buy crypto. Let's say you want to buy crypto. All right, you have whether you want to do a bank deposit, credit card deposit, cash balance, peer-to-peer. So you also have the markets. Right, you want to go to the markets and get some crypto. Then you also have you want to trade. You have the Binance Convert, you have the spot, margin, peer-to-peer, all right, bank transfer, strategy trading, swap farming, fan token, etc. And then you have the derivatives, and then you have earn. How do you earn in Binance? And then you also have finance and NFTs, which is actually another new one that is coming. Many people don't yet know what NFT is all about. And you have institutional, and then you have some feed. So also you have security, identification, payments, referral, reward center, tax center, API management settings. So this is actually your Binance account, and the first thing you want to know is that how do you deposit money into your Binance account. So you want to click on deposits. Remember that we want to deposit crypto. Let's say if you want to deposit fiat, because once you click on deposit, you have deposit fiat. Fiat means money, cash, all right, the cash that you and we are using. If you want to deposit cash using your Visa card, that's when you take fiat here, all right, that's when you select fiat. But we want to deposit crypto, so we click on crypto here. All right, so once we click on the crypto, and they will ask you which kind of crypto do you want to deposit. So we allow the page to load. It's actually loading, and they will ask you to select the coin that you want to deposit. Let's assume that I want to deposit maybe BNB. All right, BNB, and they'll ask me to select the network. I'm doing Smart Chain Network, and they'll give me the wallet. Okay, a wallet will be given to me where I'm supposed to deposit fiat into my wallet. So I'll copy this. When I click here like this, I'll automatically copy the wallet address. Right? When I copy the wallet address, I will now go to I will send to the person who needs to deposit me BNB, or if I want to deposit from another platform, maybe say from my MetaMask wallet, okay, to this wallet, I'll just go there and I'll put the wallet address from my Binance. And once I have that, I might just want to deposit 0.05, for example. Okay, just want to deposit 0.05, and I will click on next. All right, and I will confirm here my next. I'm depositing money into my Binance wallet. Okay, and in some couple of minutes we shall be seeing the funds deposited by Binance. So in my next video, I'll be showing you the funds and also how you can withdraw money from your Binance account.